Have you ever heard the term probiotics and wondered what it really means? Today, we'll dive into what probiotics are, why they're popular, and the benefits they bring to our health. Stick around for some interesting facts that might just make you think twice about adding probiotics to your routine. The word probiotics comes from Greek roots pro, meaning for, and bios, meaning life. So, the word essentially means for life. That's because probiotics promote a healthy balance of microorganisms in our bodies, especially in the gut. Probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts that are beneficial for our health. They're often called good or friendly bacteria because they support essential functions in our bodies. They work mainly in our digestive system, but their effects reach far beyond, impacting everything from immune health to mental well-being. So why are probiotics so popular these days? Well, research into the gut microbiome, the trillions of bacteria in our digestive system, has skyrocketed. Scientists are discovering just how much these bacteria influence our health. This newfound knowledge has led to the rise of probiotics as a way to support and balance our microbiome. Probiotics are now found everywhere, from supplements to fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi, as people look to improve their gut health naturally. Probiotics offer a range of health benefits, starting with the gut. They help balance out bad bacteria that can cause digestive problems, leading to a healthier gut environment. This can help with issues like bloating, constipation, and even irritable bowel syndrome. But the benefits don't stop there. Probiotics have also been shown to support immune function by creating a balanced environment in the gut, which is closely linked to our immune system. They may even help reduce inflammation, support mental health, and improve skin conditions like eczema. Wondering how to get your probiotics? They're available in a variety of natural foods like yogurt, kefir, kombucha, kimchi, and miso. For those who prefer supplements, probiotics come in capsules and powders with specific strains tailored to different needs. It's also important to choose probiotics wisely. Look for products that contain specific strains with proven benefits, and check expiration dates since probiotics are living organisms. So, next time you're considering ways to boost your health, remember that probiotics could be your gut's best friend. With so many benefits, it's no wonder they're considered for life, supporting a healthier, happier you from the inside out. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips. And remember, small changes can lead to big health improvements.